Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you exactly how to cancel an order on Amazon. So if you placed an order by mistake or simply changed your mind, Amazon allows cancellations in just a few simple steps. So first of all, you need to open your Amazon application on your phone. Over here, you need to basically first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Now click on the option of View tab here in the bottom. Now click on the option of orders on the top. So this is going to redirect you here in your orders section, where among the given orders you just have to look for that particular order which you want to basically cancel. So let's say I have selected this particular order and now I want to cancel it. After tapping on it, you are going to see the cancel item option over here on this page right away. Simply tap on that cancel item option and then simply confirm your cancellation. Sometimes Amazon is not even going to ask you any of the questions about cancellation. You just have to tap on that cancel option and confirm your cancellation request. That's it. Keep in mind that if the order has already shipped, you won't see the cancel option. In that case, you will need to wait for delivery and request a return instead. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions in mind, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.